Menneisyyteni menetin ajan kaiken kadotin. Missä makamiehen muistaa tähtilöinä taivaalla. Missä mielen maisema pitkien pilvien lomassa. Illei olla liiriä illa, illei olla liiriä la. 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 Iltasella valmistauduin aamunnalla asettauduin uuden unelman edessä. Haaveeseeni heränneenä tuonelasta tuulen tuomat torjun minä myrskyn lailla. Helvetissä hallan vaara pakkanen manalan mailla. Helvetissä hallan vaara pakkanen manalan mailla. Helvetissä hallan vaara pakkanen manalan mailla.
Yep, la. Hello, hello. Give me a second. I'm a bit late. And there is no more music. What? Isn't there something? Ah, but of course. Of course. I don't know why the mic does that. Wait, first, before switching the scene, let me put back some music because for whatever reason. Woo! Okay. Yep. And is it the right button? Yes, of course it is. Hello. Oh my god. The camera quality is not the best tonight. I tried to do the best I could do, but it didn't work. Okay, up. Give me just up this. I'm gonna charge my phone. Here I have my tea. And I have this, sorry, on the side. Fucking pie. Yeah, I didn't eat yet. So I deserve a little piece of pie. Yep, a slice of pie. Piece of cake. A slice of pie. Make more sense. Okay, wait. Like that. This one on the side for now. And I'm gonna reduce a bit the volume of the music again, like this. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to the stream. This. Wait. Perfect. You didn't hear anything. Everything was controlled. Nothing. Yeah. Perfect. I don't have anything else to say. The trash. Yep. Almost ready. I swear. And now we're ready. So, it's very dark here. But anyway, when it's this setup, you know that I'm not the focus of the stream. I'm not the center of the attention. And this time especially, because today we're gonna do quite a special stream that I've been teasing for quite a while now. Hello everybody also, I didn't say hello, but hello everybody. For quite a while, tonight we are working on this. This one? Hopla. Oh my god, I have stuff everywhere. Up! Like this. Hello, Da Vinci, throwing tomato to the printer. What the hell? How rude of you. So, I cannot de-zoom more than this. Hopla, you recognize it? The Prusa Cyberpunk, sorry, not Cyberpunk. Cybercore is something else. So, this printer tonight is gonna be our torture tool, I would say. It's our music instrument. Are we putting money on a real instrument or grinding the mortar to make a Floppytron music video? It's gonna be the second. Because we're gonna use this printer as a music instrument. So, trigger warning. I'm not good at playing instruments at all. But this, you will see, is quite easy. And you can do it with almost all of all of your printer. We'll do a little introduction about how it works with Pokemon music. Exactly. Some of you already saw it work. But hopefully, because a little introduction, but we already played a bit of music with it during Dokumi. But with the noise and everything, you couldn't really hear anything. So now, technically, it should be better. And also, I just realized that the chat doesn't show YouTube chat. Let me see if I can fix this. But hello everyone. Let me see. I don't know why we would discriminate YouTube on the screen. It's a shame. But the thing is, I see the chat here. So there is no reason for it to not show. Copy. Let me see. Chat box property past. Why? This page is not available. Great. Wait. Up. No. Select all. Copy. It's gonna work, I swear. Ah, okay. Up. Up. Okay, this time it should be okay. Beeper music or stepper? I've done both, also music with the P at sprint end in Clipper. Beeper, we could be doing beeper music, but it's not really interesting. So we're gonna do stepper music. I don't know how to do the beeper exactly. We will maybe dig a bit into it after. To be fair, I prefer stepper music because I think it's a bit more interesting than the beeper. For those who didn't understand, I'm gonna introduce you to it in a while. But yeah, basically I was saying that at Dokumi we already did it a bit, but it didn't quite work well because it was too loud around us. So we couldn't really hear it. Okay, let me turn it on. Before anything else, okay, I'm gonna remove this because it's gonna move, but I just want to make a little presentation of the printer. Because I don't know if I did it on the channel, because we did it on the channel, the printer. It was part of a series of stream. Yep. But I'm not sure that you saw it complete. So let me show it to you. Yep. I'm gonna try to not move too much. So basically, what is this printer? It's a Prusa Core 1. No, what am I saying? It's a Prusa MK3S Plus. That's the full name of the printer. It's a Prusa that we modified to make it look cyberpunk theme. the printer is still fully functional. And you will see that, for example, yep, no, it's in setting, move the axis, like, it's not really impressive, but it's moving. All that to say that it's working. There is some interesting thing, like, for example, the Gatling here. No, that's not this one, that's Z. No, I'm stupid, that's X. I am gonna manage. It's moving. Amazing. Same. The extruder there. Oh, the extruder, I'm not sure I will be able to move because usually it's block. Yeah, you need to preheat the nozzle. But it's moving, I swear. I swear it's moving, believe me. Up. And what you didn't see last time were the LEDs on the back. There, LEDs on the back, LED underneath it, here. Of course, because otherwise it wouldn't be funny. I can change the color. Not that it really matters, but I can change the color. Ah, that's not bad. Okay, and yep, I have G-code converter for both beeper and for stepper. I use A-Play in Linux to play in stereo on external speaker. That was fun. Well, you can send it to me if you want, because I'm interested in it. I'm always looking for different converter, because you will see a bit later that I use one converter, and sometimes it's a bit tricky. Oh, also I need to plug this because I need the mic to make you listen to it properly. Up. Oh yeah, of course. This. Oh wait, I'm gonna show you by removing it. The custom spool. Otherwise it wouldn't be funny. Custom spool. Of course, to be on theme. Oh my god, this was a hard work to say. Double color. Dual color yellow and cyan. Perfect. Even the little clip is customized. Isn't it amazing? Does it show that I'm proud of this printer? I forgot to ask at the Kobe what print sheet is that. So yeah, it's a Arcfly print sheet. Not gonna lie, the only reason I bought this print sheet is because it's purple. It's to match the old printer. So it's a cool plate. It's made for PLA to be printed at without a heating bed. So it stick very, very well. I used it a bit. You can see some leftovers there of dummy. But I don't want to use it too much because I want to keep it clean as like a show-off plate. But it sticks like crazy. Without adhesive, without anything. And if you want to know, the dummy here was printed on it. So yeah, it's still fully functional. This one we can put it here. Okay, let me connect the mic. Give me a second. So, back. So you will be able to hear everything. Black. You didn't hear anything. The color is amazing, need it for my core one. I had the choice between a cyan one and this one. And Hopla. Sorry for this. Okay, the mic is here, so now if I do this. Yopla. Ah, you have both sound. I don't know which one is the best. Is this sound best? Or is this one better? This one is better. Anyway, at least we have the mic to listen to the printer. But yeah, I had a choice between the cyan one and the purple. I think the purple is the right choice. Yep. So, last little thing about it. You can see that it's on something very, very weird. I'm gonna remove it to show it to you. It's completely broken, but it doesn't matter. Yep. So what is this? This is basically just a little case to make the printer resonate. So as you can see, it's a bit flexed, and also there was a layer shift when the filament ran out. Basically it's broken, layer shift there, layer shift here, so shitty print. So that's why it's so flexible and a bit dirty. It doesn't really matter because anyway, the idea is that it resonates. And the whole idea of resonating is to make the printer sound louder when we're gonna make music with it. Okay, I'm gonna put it back, but I'm gonna reprint one like this at some point. Okay, so let me drink a bit of tea and then we'll talk about it. Okay, it's too hot, so it's gonna wait. I prefer to tell you I also have the pie, so it's gonna be rude. I'm gonna eat during the live stream. The color, no, I already read this one. But yeah, the color of the build plate is amazing. What else do I have to? I mean, we can talk about the printer itself a bit more. The SD card, for example. So I need to work a bit on that, but we bought some decal sheet, and so we can make our custom sticker like that, custom decal. And so this I'm not quite satisfied because it's a bit too blurry. You put basically a clear coat on it, and the clear coat made it bleed. So it's not quite what I like, but it's still nice. So custom SD card. Up. Oh, well, we can already listen to some song. Should I spoil you with the song? No, it's gonna be later. It's gonna be later. I need to keep your attention. What other little detail can I show you? I can show you this. Up. So it's just PETG transparent with a little pocket. So during the fair, for example, I've put my business card in it. Up. For those who remember, we spent all stream painting this car. It's on the side. It's nice. Yep. Oh, this also. So still the Gatling, as you can see, the cable. I don't know how you call it. The thing to guide the cable. Basically, I need to reglue this. Yep, we're gonna reglue it now. That way, it's gonna be done. Yep. Like this. So, so yeah, basically it's like it's an ammo thingy, and it's allow you to guide the cable. Also, I will try to show you on the back. So, two things. First, this thing is removable, so it's magnetized to this, but you can remove it in case you want to transport it, for example. There is a little converter here that basically take the 24 volts of the power supply to convert it to 5 volts USB here, and then the USB power the LED strip. So that's why I just have to turn it on and on the full printer, and it automatically power everything. So I just have one cable for everything. This 3D printer mod is amazing, quite talented. I mean, to be fair, most of the praise should go to Prusa themselves, because it's a mod made by Prusa guy. I'm gonna try to show it to you. And so I just did the printing and the painting. They did the modeling, which is designing this is the hard part. I need to take pictures and post it on there. Up. Let me put it on YouTube too. Tack. I don't know if Flip-Flopper you wanted to put a URL, but I don't think you can post link. The bot doesn't like it. Up. And oh yeah, I wanted to show you this detail. So this one doesn't quite work. I need to put a bit more effort in it. Up. If you look there, there is yet another moving part. This part here rotates with the motor. Does it want to rotate? No. Yeah, kinda. Basically, it's magnetized, and the magnet is not quite centered, so it doesn't rotate as it should be. While the Gatling, you can see that it's just a magnet glued inside. Yep. It's just a resin printed part like this with a magnet glued inside. And then my god. It's a bit hard to do it like this. Hopla. Nice, like this. I got the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. Got tips. We also got a Neptune 4 Pro here in the office. What tips can I give you? I didn't do much about it, to be fair. I don't think I did any modification on it. I use Orca Slicer for it. It worked well, and I connected it to Ethernet with a little why am I saying a little? With an Ethernet cable, basically. So that way I can control it directly through Orca Slicer, which is very handy. No, I don't have much tips to give you. It's a good printer. It's reliable and precise. It's not the one that I use the most, mostly because I use Orca. And so the one I use the most are on Prusa. I use Creality Slicer. I got Creality. What Creality do you have? But for Creality, we don't have a Creality printer in the office. I mean, we have a resin printer, but we don't have a FDM Creality. So, but my issue with hello Clone Hammer. My issue is that I always try to minimize the number of slicers that I have, because it's annoying to have different slicer for everything. Of course, I don't manage to do it. I have the Anycubic slicer, Prusa, Bamboo, and Orca. But no, for the Neptune 4, it's a very good printer, the Pro. I don't think I have much to say. I know that on the Max, I changed there is spacer. On the Max, there is, so you, with little wheel, you control the bed. And I changed the spacer that are spring for fixed spacer, which is easier to manage. But I think that the Pro doesn't have this issue anyway. It's mostly the Max that we modify. And the Max, I want to modify it to put some linear rail on it. But the Pro, it's good. Oh, this thing detached. And thank you, Catboy1, for the follow. Yep. So, now this one. Let's get back to it. After a sip of tea. I need to tell you to confess just one issue that I have with the printer. It's not on this side, it's on the other side. So first, I should put a Raspberry Pi in it. Raspberry Pi. It's okay. Because that way I could control it with Wi-Fi, it would be better. But the issue that I have is this part. So this part is actually printed on this printer. It's printed with a 0.25 nozzle, so very fine. And it's in PLA. And this part here is transparent PTG. And the issue that I have is that I mispositioned it. It's a bit too much on the left. It should be a bit more on the right. And so when I can show you, setting, move the Z axis. When the Z axis is moving, maybe it will do it. Up. No, this one is not here. Up. Let me move the X a bit. And when it's exactly in this position, so it's not always, but it can be a problem. You can see that. See? It's blocking. It doesn't manage to go all the way up. So, because basically this part is blocking with this plaque. And it's just a tiny bit, so I need to push it a bit like that in order to make it go. The other option is to position yourself more on the left, and then I'm gonna do up, calibration, auto home. I don't know if it's gonna be enough or no. What printer do you have? So for the FDM printer, we have two Bamboo Lab P1S. Wait. Okay, but I want to calibrate Z. Because now I removed the calibration with this. So yeah, we have two Bamboo Lab P1S, one Prusa Core 1, one Anycubic Cobra S1, I think, Cobra S2, S1, I don't remember. One Elegoo, okay, that's good. One Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro, one Elegoo Neptune 4 Max, and this one, the MK3S Plus. Up, like this. And for the resin printer, we have one Elegoo Mars 3 Pro, one Anycubic M7 Max, one Creality Alot Mage S, and one Jupiter 2 from Elegoo. That's quite a lot. But to be fair, we don't use them all at the same time. I mean, right now they're almost all running. The FDM, not the resin print. It depends on what print we have to do. Sometimes they all run at the same time, sometimes none of them run. But yeah, we have quite a lot of different one. Let me do it once again, sorry. Okay, and then we're gonna start. Anycubic Cobra 3. I don't remember which one is the Cobra 3. But yeah, the Raspberry Pi is very nice for the MK3 like this. Basically, you connect it to the back, and you can have Wi-Fi on it. Now it seems like a very common thing. Oh yeah, the Cobra 3, yeah. Like a very common thing to have on a printer, but it wasn't that common some times ago. And this is quite an old printer. So it doesn't have Wi-Fi. So basically you transfer everything on the SD card and then you put the SD card in the printer and that's it. But today we are going to proceed a bit differently. So let's get into it. You can see, you cannot see, but here there is this. So it's connected directly to the computer in USB, and this allows us to use Pronterface. What is that in the background? 4 big glass tube of something. Wait. This thing? Oh no, oh, you mean behind me? Wait. Ah, this one. Give me a second, I'm gonna show you. This is pellet. This is raw material. This is what we make the filaments with. So for example, this is PLA. Let me show you. Up. So you see it's little ball of PLA. And we have ABS, EZPA, and PTG. So, yeah, that's raw material. Wait, what? Ah, I turned on the mic from behind. That's why don't drop. Oh my God, if I drop this, it's gonna be a real pain. I'm gonna put it back. But yeah, it's raw material. The interesting one is the PTG, because the PTG is transparent. Yep. You can see the PTG is nice. Hehehe. That's it. Yep là. Hop. On the floor is dangerous. Yeah. I was thinking about it. I was like, no, someone is gonna bump. And when I say someone, it's most probably me. So no, too dangerous. So let me show you. In the meantime, up, I'm gonna put you here. And I'm gonna take Pronterface here. And this one is gonna go there. So this is the interface that one of the interfaces that we're going to use today. Up Connect. Basically, it's something that helps us control the printer. So it's basically something to directly control the printer. Why do I use that? It's just to transfer the file, so it's easier to play the music. Rather than having every time to remove the SD card, I just load it there and that's it. But basically, if I press this button, it moves the axis. If I press this, up, it's homing. Hello, bravery girl. And S-Reg also. Is creativity good? HI good, or bad? Let me see, I don't remember. I mean, to be fair, I don't know, because I never tried it. So, but usually, this kind of printer are good. It's very good entry-level printer. Still coming from somewhere flying through the package plane or something. And I have blue PLA and green PTG. That's good to start. PLA and PTG are the perfect filament to start. Right now, I pressed homing, and so currently, it's doing the bed leveling. So it's doing the bed leveling. But no, usually this one, the A1 from Bamboo, the Prusa Mini, the Cobra 3 from Anycubic. It's really good. It's really good. It's very entry, very, very, very nice. You should review. I actually did a review last Tuesday. It's not even a joke. We did a review last Tuesday. We reviewed the Jupiter 2 from Elegu, the big resin printer. But yes, we're of course we are always open to do more review. But for that we need to receive printer. I'm gonna do another review probably a bit later this year about a very interesting printer that I've been looking at for a long time. I cannot tease you too much, but if it happened, I'm gonna be very, very happy. Okay, so basically, what are we gonna do today? What we're gonna do is that we're gonna do some music with the printer. And index core 1. Oh, this one too, yeah. It's not an index core 1, but I definitely want an index core 1. But no, it's not an index core 1. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna deny nor agree. Because you need to see it for yourself. And maybe it won't happen, so I don't want to say anything. Could you review Creality HI sometimes or later? I mean, I would, but again, we don't have it. We don't have it in the office, so if we get it, of course, whenever we receive a new printer, we do a review of it. Yes, the music, that's still what we're doing today. So as you can see, when I move an axis, I'm gonna do something. Give me a sec. I'm gonna do this and mute myself. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna move the printer and you're gonna basically listen to what it does. Okay, but for this I need to remove the gate so you can hear. I don't know if we can hear it properly. I need to check. Yeah, okay. So you can see that basically it's doing sound. It's normal, it's the motor working. Except this, okay, I'm gonna take my mic back. Hopla. Okay, this one I'm gonna keep there. So basically, okay, I'm doing everything. You're excited for that Canon Pixma TS705A? Yeah, exactly. That's what the channel is gonna be about now. It's gonna be about reviewing the 2D printer. That's the new standard now. Is gonna be Canon, Epson, and whatever brand is there. HP printer. 4D printer. I would like to try actually like a printer that moved the head. That would be nice. Already is successor the Sparks i7 and Ender 4. I would love a Ender 3. I would love an Ender 3 also. And doing a review on the Ender 3 now would be very fun. Okay, I need to focus. The music. I mean, I think better than any word, I should just show you and let you listen to it. So basically what we're doing is that we are moving the axis, and so we're using all the stepper motor. So this one, the one that allows you to move the bed, the extruder and everything. And when you move the stepper motor, it makes sound. And when you control this sound, you can make music. So let me show you. If I do this. Okay, back home. So I already have some file on the SD card. I'm gonna take it. So for example, this one. Wait. I'm gonna switch the mic again. Oh, fuck. I pressed the wrong button. Oh, it's okay. So, are you amazed? They sound like Pokemon Nurse Joy. Exactly, it is the Pokemon music. So I hope you are amazed. Oh, I'm gonna do this. Okay, like that. Oh. It's Pokemon related. It's the Pokemon Center. Pokemon Center music. I'm glad that you recognize it. Creative Office in Germany is nearby the Sunu office from where they are streaming. Maybe you can lend one for testing from the... Yeah, that's actually a good idea. But yeah, it's so that was the example. Now I just need to try one more thing. Because basically there is two settings on the printer. Up. There is the quiet mode and the normal mode. And it doesn't make the same sound. So for example, right now I'm on normal mode. So if you see the center, up. Yeah, you saw a crash right now. And you know why? Because I didn't do the ohming. Let me do it. And since, yeah, the thing doesn't always do the homing. Vados March is a good one for this. We will do custom song right after. So. Print from SD. Okay. So now you can see the difference of sound between the two. And basically it's switching between the stealth mode and the normal mode. Okay, let's pause it. Okay. So. Yepla. Okay. So you got quite a good idea of what we're doing. The older stepper drivers sometimes make their own music, especially when printing circle. Exactly. And this is one of them. I don't know if it's the same stepper that you're talking about, but basically the MK3, mostly when you print circle, it will do sound like that. And the whole idea is to control how you use the stepper motor, at what speed, at what step you put, what frequency you put, and so it will influence the sound that it's making. And so basically that's exactly what we're gonna do tonight. The idea is that, okay, wait, stop the print, calibration. auto home. I'm a beginner at 3D printing, and I modeled some stuff like 4-wheel lock, and I made it on Tinkercad. That's nice. Modeling is how you improve your 3D printing skills. So cut over modeling software. It's really hard to use them. It's a matter of habit and matter of like it's a matter of work. The more you use them, the better you're gonna get at it. I know it sounds cliche, but it's true. At first, it's gonna be some small part, and then you will take some habit. You should try Fusion 360, for example, and watch a bunch of tutorial on YouTube, and you will see that it's actually quite easy. And yeah, thank you. The weathering came out very nicely. You can see, for example, on the screen, what we did is that we did some scratching. Here, to make it a bit even more realistic. Whoop. Back. My God, if I manage to put it straight. The MK3 used newer TMC 2130 driver. Thank you. Thank you for the reference. But it still makes some music. And that's something also, is that it's gonna be harder to use this kind of function on newer printer. Especially the printer that have input shaping, for example, or that basically reduce a lot the frequency, the resonance of the printer. And especially basically the Core XY printer. You don't have as much sound, and I'm not even sure that you can make sound with it. So yeah. Now, how does it work? It's quite easy. For this specific printer, what you do, I mean, it's work for all the printer, but what you do basically is that you take MIDI sound. So a MIDI sound is a music file that decomposes the sound in different tracks, and it's quite... I'm gonna show you. Up. If I take this one, MIDI. So you might have played with MIDI sequencer already. For some of you, it's basically a way to make music quite easily. So for example, I don't know much about this sequencer, but okay, I'm gonna turn off the music in the background, and then this. See, I literally place my note, and then amazing. Nice, isn't it amazing? Well, I just don't remember. So this is one track, but now I want to show you what happened when you put different track. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one has different track. Okay, let me open something first, so that way I can show you. For example, if I take the Pokemon Center, exactly. So the Pokemon Center is the one that we already played. So you can put several tracks. So this one has 4 tracks, and so basically the track is considered a bit... So I'm not a pro musician at all, but to see it like that, track are basically instruments. And on this printer, each axis, each motor is used for one track. So for example, since I have 4 of them, the X, Y, Z, and the extruder, I can use 4 instruments. And so for example, the Pokemon music, if I... I can just play one track. So one of the axes will play this. One other will play this. And the last one will play this. Yeah, this one has only 3 track. Okay. And so basically, I think AI can't really easily make lock that functional on their own. Yeah, no. I use LMMS. It's free music making software. To be fair, I'm really not good at all at making music. I'm not a pro at all. So I use a lot of pre-made MIDI sound, for example, and then I put them in the printer. And this is the second part. Okay, let me eat a bit of pie. So, now that you have your MIDI sound, there is several apps. So, for example, for the people who use a A1 Mini, there is this page up. And so basically, this is a tutorial on how you can play music on your A1. So we don't have A1, but basically it's the same principle. It's just that this sequencer can save it in J code, but it's specifically for the A1. It's a bit, you need to modify it a bit if you want to use it on other printers. So the one that I'm using is MIDI to 3D. Up. It's made by Cavalium. I'm even worse. As Exobatly, I create some good beats, but anything different sound always doesn't fit. Well, I can't give you any advice on this matter. In terms of music, I'm really not good. And so basically, it's just this one, MIDI to 3D, is just a little tool made by Cavalium. And that's what we're going to use. It's universal to a lot of printer, but I figured out that it works quite well for the Prusa printer. So, how does it work? It's quite easy. Oh, look at this. Hopla. So let me... I mean, I can continue to show printer face. Up. So, you load your song file here. I don't want to display. Oh, no, okay, it's gonna work. So you download a song that you want to play. As I said, the important thing is that your song need to have 3 or 4 track, because you don't have that much stepper motor. So if you have more track, basically you won't be able to play it. On this one, we then need to choose which model we want to choose. If we want to play with just 1 axis, 3 axes, or the 3 axis and the extruder. In our case, it's just the 3 axis because we have 3 track. And then we have to play a bit with all the setting to buy 5H2S or not. Oh, hello, Maki. No, you need to buy 6 and send me 1. That's what you need to do. And so, yep, 6. And you keep 5 and you send me 1. So the song speed is quite self-explanatory. I cannot... No, the text is going to be the same. It's how quickly you want to play your song, basically. It works by moving the stepper motor in different speed, making higher pitch as faster and lower pitch as slower. Yeah, exactly. And just G-code make it doesn't release filaments and make it move like DVD logo. Basically, the G-code will we will look a bit into the G-code after. The G-code is quite straightforward. It's just move the axis. Just like when you print something, you move the print head. Well, this will move the print head. A bit like the DVD logo, indeed, but it move it in a certain way that it make sound with the stepper motor. Maybe if they were discounted more, I don't know. Then buy 5 and send me 1, and you have 4 for yourself. It's plenty enough. And so you need in MIDI to 3D, you need to work a bit around all of the settings that you can use. So if I recall correctly, I don't remember exactly, but this one is the speed of the motor XYZ. This one is the size that you want to the amplitude that you want the printer to use. So for example, 200, 210. That means I just realized that I muted myself. So for example, if I take the printer 200, that mean that it will be able to do 200 millimeters there, 200 millimeters the other way, and 10 millimeter on Z. I can reduce it so the print head move less, or I cannot make it bigger because I don't have much room, but I can make it a bit bigger. And it's part of the setting that you need to calibrate. If you make it smaller, it's going to be quicker, but you will have a bit less amplitude in your music. And for example, for the Z, it's 10 because it's quite slow. And so if you make it too tall, it will be very slow to go up and down, which is not ideal. So for now, we're not going to touch this. And finally, the 15-15-2, if I recall, it's how many, it's the displacements per turn. So when my stepper motor do 1 turn, how much did my I'm gonna show you, it's gonna be easier. Setting, disable the stepper. Okay. So for example, this one, if I do 1 turn, how much did it move? So we can just measure it. We have a real value. I don't remember what it is exactly. So let's take this. We're gonna go from here to here. We are at 10 centimeters. And if we move this of a full turn, this one, I think that's it. I'm at 13.5. So it's 35 millimeter. Did I do that correctly, or did I went a bit too far? What song are you programming? Just got free for lunch. Whatever you want. Oh, I'm just not showing the printer at all. Some Mozart. I mean, we can play whatever music you want. You can send the suggestion and we will do it. Okay, let's take a little screw or something. How can I note this? Here. No. This. Up. Like that. So. Puff. We put it vertical. Like this. And then We do 1 turn. Approximately 13. Tack. And this one is going to be a bit harder. Technically, it's the same. It's the same pulley and everything, so it should be the same. So technically, we are around 30 millimeter per turn. And the z-axis is going to be very annoying, so we are not going to measure it. So, all that to say that, by the way, that I think that's the value, but maybe I'm fully wrong. So we're going to put 30 here. Up. Whap. We can, as long as there is a MIDI version of it, it's okay. Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley. We can, I know that it's a MIDI song. It's one of the top one of the MIDI website I'm going on. So, popular MIDI, look at this. Never Gonna Give You Up. It worked. We can start with this. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in the sequencer. It's just to check the track if everything works well. Up. Yep. So Never Gonna Give You Up. Okay, there is way too much track. See that there is way too much track. We need only 3 track for now. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna mute all of them and play only 3 to see which one we keep. Damn, it's so low. See, we don't really recognize it like this. So we're not gonna use this one. I'm gonna play several one. Ah. I'm trying to find the exact track. So it's not this first. Okay, let's do so. Ah. This sounds good. Ah. Track 9. Yeah. The thing is that there is not... okay, it's already a good beginning. It's already a good beginning. We're gonna do it like that for now. And then we will see. Will you do the singing part? Unfortunately, no. Unfortunately, and I mean, fortunately, no. It's for your... It's better for you. Okay, let me eat a bit of pie. Hop. Non. Yeah, technically, I'm supposed to be able to play MIDI with VLC. So let me see. Ah, no, I know why. B2. I know. Oh, VLC. Where is VLC playing? It's not playing the right thing. Okay, give me a sec. Oh my god. Open the setting. Where is it again? No. Where is it? The menu for the volume mixer. Here it is. And VLC need to go in the aux input. Oh my god, sorry. Aux input like this. Perfect. So now I can turn off VLC and open the no name. Oh, I don't have the sound. But I thought I could play with VLC. I used to do it. What the hell? Okay. Not playing. Well, it doesn't really matter. Why cannot I play though? Technically, I'm supposed to be able to play with VLC, but anyway, it doesn't really matter. Oh, sorry. What pie you got? Rhubarb pie. Look at this amazing pie. It's more important than the printer itself. Rhubarb pie. I love it. Hello, Cruise and Girl. Rickrolled by a printer, exactly, and rickrolled by a VLC right now. Okay, so it doesn't matter. I will try to fix it after, but what we are gonna do is that we are gonna put it back in the thing to see if it's opened the track. No, that's the problem. So we said basically we're just gonna delete all the track. Delete the track. Up, and we're gonna keep the 987. And now it's not playing anymore. Ah. That sound okay. Okay, that's good, that's good. So far so good. Up, so we're gonna delete all the other track. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Up, no name 1. Okay. Open, no name 1. I'm just reopening it just to see if everything worked well. It's very slow start. But that's okay. The Prusa will play music exactly. Nice snack, thank you, thank you. I like how the pie is the most important part of the setup, of course. Somebody said I needed a Raspberry Pi, but I prefer cherry. Yeah, I understand. Raspberry Pi is so overdone in a way, you know. Maybe a 0 though. I was told to be healthy and only eat one piece of pie. So I cut it in half. How smart of you. How wise of you. A slice is a slice, no matter the size. Okay, I take the MIDI file. Here, good. We have our 3030. We are not going to modify anything for now. The thing that's going to be very important to modify is the tone multiplier. We're going to put it way higher than that. But so far, I don't want to touch anything. So, I'm just going to save it on the... I'm going to create a music folder and it's going to be Rickroll. It's just going to save the G code. Okay. You cannot see it, but it's normal. I'm just going to show you the G code. So, hopla. Edit in the notepad. Oh my god. Sorry, I need to turn off all the other G code that I opened in the in my notepad is awful. There is too much G code. you can see that, wait, I basically, yeah, you can see I have plenty of different G code from everywhere. Test code, up. Okay, this is our G code. It's very simple. It's just moving everything, every axis. And by moving these axes, it will make sound. That's it. I find the Raspberry Pi to be poorly designed. Odroid, Orange Pi. See, Orange Pi is better than Raspberry Pi. Potato are better. Yeah, but the thing also, to be more serious on the thing, is that the Raspberry Pi is very common. And so it's also very easy to find resources about it. And it's easy to find like mod or thing like that. But it's just like Arduino, you know, it's like, yes, there is better. But at the same time, it's so common that it's make it, yeah, quite nice. Okay, we are here. Home. So now I take my pronto face. You cannot see, but I want you to see the printer. I take the G code, open, it's transferring it. And now if I press print, hopefully nothing explode. And you can see that it's going extremely slowly. Oh, first I need to turn on the mic. So it's going extremely slowly. So basically all that to say that it doesn't work. Up. And so, of course, the first thing that we need to change is the tone multiplier. So I put 1, but usually I put around 6 or 8. I'm going to go all the way up to 8 now to try and see if we see a difference. Up, up. My newest Raspberry Pi broke. It wasn't even a new freebie. Now I have only the old first gen one left. Pre-ordered the first one when it came out. One is the 256 megabyte RAM version. Really slow. Yeah, 256. I mean, that depends what you do with it. But also, like for example, for a printer like that, it's awesome. The thing that I regret is that it's quite expensive. Okay, is it gonna be better? I don't know. We will see. Oh. So the beginning is very slow, that's normal. Maybe it's gonna be a total failure, by the way. It's not to be... This option is highly probable. Okay, I'm gonna try something else. Yeah, you can see that this one is not working. Off, load. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, we're gonna go home. I should do the same, yeah, Cruise and Girl, changing the border at least for the P1S, to control the P1S, it would be very nice. Put Octoprint on every printer. I should do that. Try another song later. Undertale Shop's theme might work because the song only has one sound, I think, or 3 or 2. Yeah, usually I tried different one, I listened to it to see if it worked or no, and we will see. Does anyone recall what the name of the filament type that worked well for airplane wing? PLA lightweight. That's the one you're looking for. PLA lightweight. So. It's not a real success. I don't know if anybody recognized the song. It didn't really work well. It makes sound, not the one that we want. Okay, well, it didn't quite work. Let me pause it. So, yes, the PLA lightweight will always string. DaVinci is right. It will always string, so don't bother with it too much. Still dry it as much as possible, the filament. It's gonna be a pain to print, but the result is nice. Okay, let's see if we can do a bit better than that. Okay, up. I'm just doing this. Okay. What I don't understand is that the x-axis doesn't work. There is free track and yet the x-axis doesn't work. The new version of Octoprint will include native support for Clipper. Do you want the Bamboo land mod without using plugin? That's nice. I should do that. I should put all the prints on the same on Octoprint. Back in the day, we did this with a Commodore 64 floppy drive. Nice. I like that. I wish I had a Commodore 64. I wish I had one. Not gonna lie. Maybe it's because I'm getting old, but I want to do retro gaming. Yeah, we're gonna try Undertale Shop. Don't worry. I just want to see. Basically, the problem that I have right now is with the MIDI. So we're gonna let's try with Undertale. Let's try with Undertale. Because basically, it's something with the track, because the x-axis doesn't take the track. So, online sequencer, let's see this one. Up. Let me just reduce the sound because it's probably going to be very loud. Okay, we're going to try this. Okay, how do I download it though? With this sound, how do I download it? Do I need to register? I don't want to register. Um, mm, mm, mm. Wait, am I stupid? Am I missing the button to download it? I appreciate the master spool on the filament you sent. Nice touch. What did I do again? Sorry, I need to recall. The master spool on the filament you sent. The master spool? Did I send the master spool? What is a master spool? But thank you. I'm sorry, I did so much thing lately, I don't remember. Import the MIDI sequence. No, I want to copy, I want to download it. Wait, the master spool. Now you... Master? Yeah, I remember you want, but I don't remember. Well, I hope you will like the filament anyway. I'm really sorry. Ah, download! Here! Oh my god. But what you mean by master? That's my question. Because maybe I put a bit more filament. Sometimes I do this. Up. Let's already put tone multiplier to 5. Export to Undertale. So sometimes it doesn't work because you need to work a bit around the MIDI file, which I'm really not qualified to do. Okay, well, we're gonna really listen to the MIDI to compare it. So now I turned off the stealth mode. Usually the stealth mode worked better. That's why I put it. It worked better. Make a smoother sound. And for the Facebook ad, can you send me a message on Twitch? I will try to see what it is. But you need to be a bit careful with the Facebook ads, because lately we add quite a lot of fake websites. So you always need to verify the URL of the website, that it's sunlu.com or store.sunlu.com. Sometimes it's, depending on your country, it can be de.store.sunlu.com, but it shouldn't be something like filament sunlu or so. No, it's always something like this. But yeah, for the reusable spool, if that's what you meant by master spool, yes. Technically, the spool are not universal, but you can use it with a lot of different filaments. Okay, so we are going somewhere here. Let's listen to the MIDI again. Yeah, the I'll mention in the newsletter every time now. Yeah, it's just safer this way. Okay. Okay, Okay, so just this, the beginning. If we play it again. We can recognize it. It's not perfect, but we can kind of recognize it. So let's see up if I change the thing a bit, and if I put a bit more. Okay, I will do something first. Give me a sec while you listen to it. Okay, now we have the window, so it's going to be a bit easier for you to see. Okay. So we are quite there. Not quite, but almost there. What could be the issue though? It's basically a bit too... So we've put it at... How much did we put? I forgot already. 7? Let's try at 7. Desktop music Undertale. Yes. Load Undertale. Okay, so you have it in mind. Now, if I play this, it's a bit more melodic. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Okay, so we are a bit too quick. Basically, we are a bit too quick, and a bit, it would need to be a bit smoother. So this I don't really know how to do. Not gonna lie. I'm just like you, I'm discovering everything. If we reduce a bit the speed and the speed of the motor, mostly. So now... So it's smoother, but now it's too quick. Up. We're gonna go slowly. Okay. What? Okay, I think it's okay. I think it's good. The only thing that I would like to modify now is that you can see that it's making a lot of long movements, which can be good, but sometimes it's too long. So here I'm gonna divide it by 2 just to stop the motor from moving that far. And then if it's too short, we will correct it. Up. Okay, one last time. You can think also about other music that you want to play. Oh my god. I think I'm stupid. Wait, if I do this, what does it change? I think I told you a bunch of crap earlier. Okay, it's a bit too quick, but I think we're going somewhere there. We're really going somewhere. Okay, let's just try this. No, wait, no. We need to stop the print. Calibration, auto home, and then we play. Okay, so I understand. Okay. So what I did, we will see it now. Yes, exactly. Okay. Sorry. So basically, let me explain. I think, if I'm not stupid, that this one on the right, I think I'm stupid basically. So this one on the left is the amplitude of the movement. How long do you want the printer? What is the longest movement that the printer can do? And the thing on the right is simply the border. Like, if I put 100, technically that means that it needs to be at 100. Bye flip flopper. See you. That means that it needs to be at 100 from the border of the plate. It cannot go closer to that, if I understand well. I say that because I think that the 10 is like that. Maybe I'm fully wrong, but I think that's it. Let's verify it right now. Maybe I'm completely off, but hopefully no. Okay, let's try. Did I load it? Yes. Okay, I'm right. So basically, I'm messing with it for nothing. Because it's useless. I mean, it's nice, but it's a bit useless. So this now, the motor XYZ, this I still don't know what it is then. Because it's not the speed. Because the lower I put it, the quicker it is. For example, let's put it at 30. Let's put it at 30. And now, wait. See? It's way quicker. So what can it be? What can it be, this value then? Because the lower, the quicker. I'm trying to understand. Something is not making sense for me. Wait, or maybe it's the step. So the base value is 100. And 800 for the Z. I think it's something like 1 millimeter equal 100 step. It's not the case, but it's something like that. Or 1 centimeters. And I think, if I recall, the stepper motor, or the Prusa. Oh my god, Sebastian, the thing is, you gave us the stepper earlier. I don't know if I still have it. Can I get the... TMC 2130. Let's look at this. Okay, I'm not sure I'm gonna find any interesting information. Data sheet. Okay. 1.4. Two-phase stepper motor. I'm just looking to see if I have this the full step pattern. Because they say 256 microsteps per full step. But how much is a full step? The thing is, it also depends on the belt. Microstep 1 to 256. Step. They don't say. I think it's 0.4, something like that. I don't remember. Okay, so basically 100, it's the base one. The slower I go, the lower I go, the slower it is. And I was at 80, I think. Let's try 90. But basically, you need to play with the thing like that to get to the perfect setting. Up. Let's try. Okay, I think it's okay. And now if we play the... Oh, I don't have it anymore. Fuck. Wait. Up. Yeah, if we play it... It's quite good. It's quite close. Wait. Okay, so now up. Let's pause and print. Okay, ours is still too fast. It's still too fast, but we're close. We're gonna change music. We're gonna change music. I'm gonna put just try one last time. And after that, we're gonna change music. Okay. That's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, let's find another music. Okay, first, let's stop this one. Puff. Come on. You can do it. You can stop. Okay, I'm just restarting it. Sometimes also I restart it. But stop that. Okay, wait. No, it's not. It's because it's connected. So basically, Pronterface is taking the lead over the board, and now it's not restarting anymore. That's awful. Okay. Okay. So first, you. Yeah, I'm breaking everything. It's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna take a bit of pie. Important pie. Okay, what music should we play now? Wow, I'm eating at the same time. It's not the best. Why I have a sleepy leg? I should stream standing. I wish I had a standing desk. So, let me see in the MIDI file that I had. We say Star Wars, but Star Wars, the thing is that it doesn't work well. I tried it and it doesn't work that well. Because it's a bit too repetitive and so it doesn't really... What can work well? Like Pokemon worked so well. For example, let's go to the GitHub of the guy. At on his GitHub, he published some MIDI sample, and most of them are very nice. So we did the Pokemon Center, Castlevania. Will Sulu be at MRRF this weekend? I don't think so. No, I don't think so, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I don't think so. The next fair is gonna be in a long time. In a long time. It's gonna be... I mean, it's gonna be Form Next, and then there will be some smaller one in between. I think one in Turkey. But Form Next is the big one that's coming. Do you have IG or TikTok? Yes. Technically, if you go to maybe even on YouTube, on the social media page on YouTube, there is a link for everything. So let's try Wild Pokemon Encounter and Harry Potter for Game Boy. And Harry Potter. Why do we want Harry Potter? No, we don't want. Super Mario, Castlevania, Red Route 24. But the thing is, this one we already did, the Pokemon Center. Gotta get the printer to play Darth Vader theme. Okay, we're gonna try the Darth Vader theme. Yep. We're gonna try it. No, not on this one. In MIDI. Let's try this first. Ah, but this one is... Okay. How is it gonna go? Not this one. Up. You can see the printer and this. Perfect. Okay. So, Darth Vader theme at 100. So same setting as always. I'm just putting the tone multiplier a bit higher for now. I mean at 4. Up. And then saving it to Darth Vader. Darth Vader? Darth Vader, sorry. Just that in French we always say Dark Vader. Okay. Paf. Load Darth Vader. Okay. Oh, let me put the mic back. Why do I have a OBS? What? Okay. That was weird. Like this. It's not a great success. There was a hint of something, but it wasn't a great success. That's actually good. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's very low. It's not but it's not too bad. Okay, what I did now is that I made it a bit longer. So the printer is gonna move a bit further. Here you can see the 110. So it can move a bit further to give him maybe a bit more amplitude for the movement. We will see. That's good, that's good, that's good. I'm back, I had to left. Don't worry, don't worry. I had to stop using Imperial March as a ringtone because it's so low in tone that I couldn't hear it over background noise. I can understand now that we are playing this one. Okay, so what I did here is that I boosted the tone multiplier. And the tone multiplier, basically, it's move it out. The issue is that it tends to speed it up a bit. So if we increase this, maybe it's gonna slow it a bit down. And also I'm giving it even more amplitude because it's a slow song. It's like it needs the movement. So more tone, less motor, and a bit more amplitude. Now it's time to play. Okay, I want to try now with the stealth mod just to see if we hear a difference. We basically can't hear anything. That's good, that's good. I prefer it without the stealth mod. That's good. To be fair, the sound is perfect. For me, it's perfect. The only thing is that it's very low. I wish it was a bit louder, but I don't know how to make it louder. Maybe still a bit more tone multiplier. What if we go all the way to like 16, just to see if we see a big difference with it. And then up, we can go back. I don't know. Hello, hello, Lucas. I don't know. I don't know. I can't type. Don't worry, don't worry. Just enjoy the music. If you can. Wait. Well, okay, it's good. It's good, but I think that we're hitting a dead end here. My name is Nicola. With a S. But it's not Nicolas. It's Nicola. I think we're reaching a dead end. Like, the sound is very good. It's just low. So I'm not sure we will be able to be louder than that. But I think it's okay. I would keep it at 130 how we were. Like this. I think it's okay. Let's export this one. Okay, next one. What other suggestion do we have? He's French too. French. Well, see, I mean, there is Nicola all around the world, but Nicola with an S at the end, and you don't pronounce the S. It's very French, yeah. It's very French, not Belgian. It's the same anyway. All Belgian are French. Don't say that, don't say that. Many Belgian came to Canada. All Quebecois are French too, also. Anyway, I'm designing a combined system of vacuum cleaner, hose holder, and vacuum cleaner wand holder that is mounted directly to the inside of an IKEA-like cabinet, using the existing hole already there, via printing peg. Ah, yeah. Like in the old, I see. That's nice. I love to do this. Basically, that's my favorite way of using 3D printing, is making mod and tool around stuff that I already have. I love that. Making tool and jig and everything, that's my favorite thing. Do you have any suggestion of other music you want to play? My grandfather on my mom's side came from Belgium. My grandmother's side came to Canada from France in 1500 down. 15! My God, that's nice. Ah, Evangelion, of course, but yes. Of course, why didn't I think about it earlier? I don't have anything good for organization. Anything really, it's so sad, it's nice to have a printer now. Yeah, Poirot is Belgian. Could be French. I mean, written like that, yeah, maybe. Could be French too. Of course, we're gonna take Evangelion. Why didn't I think about it earlier? Evangelion. Wait, because there is different MIDI. And we listen to his theme song. We can do it after. We can do it after. Hercule Poirot. Oh my God. Okay, this one is not working. Okay, this one. We're gonna do the Hercule Poirot right after. Oh my God. It works so well. Ah, that's perfect. Great, now we all want to cry. Well, music. Evangelion. Okay. I don't want to stop it. We will have to stop it, but I don't want to stop it. Get in the robot. No! I don't want to. I don't want to die like that. I was about to say I'm too young to die like this, but yeah, it's a bit ironical when you talk about Evangelion. Okay, wait. Let me turn this off. My God, it's never ending. It's perfect. Okay, it's loaded. Up and print. Okay, it's a bit less emotional, not gonna lie. So it's a bit quick. Tomato time, thank you, thank you. Yeah, now you have to give me your lens. We have to attach it to the wall. No, we didn't did for Elise yet. Very popular Medi. Yeah. Maybe slower. Yeah, we need to go slower. I'm gonna take the suggestion and I'm gonna play them after. I mean, we get it, we recognize it. Okay, I tried something. No. No. It doesn't work. It's kind of nice, but it's still like, hello, zombie hedgehog. There is still something like, this time it's a bit too, it's not smooth enough. So what we're gonna do, okay, because I increased the amplitude of it, so this doesn't work. What we need to do now is that, wait, give me a sec. Need to check something. Okay. No, yeah. Yep. So what I did is that I increased the amplitude of it, and now we are gonna see with the tone. Damn, my mouse is so laggy. I don't know why. We're gonna increase the tone multiplier to make it a bit smoother, to see if it's okay. First, I would like my mouse to work a bit better and not be laggy like this. Maybe it's front of face that make it laggy. Okay, up, off. Load. Okay, play. I don't know. There is something a bit off. It was better at first, I think. Let's try this with even more tone multiplier. Okay, it's perfect. I love it. It's so nice. It's a bit too quick. Okay, let's boost the tone multiplier even more. At 15. And let's try to reduce a tiny bit the speed of the song. Like this. A bit less amplitude, because at first we had less amplitude maybe? Did we have less? I don't remember, but it was better. It's a bit quick, but it starts to be very, very good. I like it a lot. I think it's our biggest success so far. Okay, let's just do a homing just to be sure. But I think it's our biggest success so far. That's good, that's good. I'm proud of you. Now. No. No. It's just a huge mess now. No. By trying to do better, we do worse. Vaya. Well, now I have to find the setting back. Wait. The acceleration seems kind of slow. Yeah, on my MIDI to G-code converter. Yeah, but for the MK3, I don't think it worked. I tried it once and it didn't work because it's not the same format of MIDI of G-code. But now I am stupid because I have to find the setting back. I don't remember what it was. Wait. Okay, we start so again with this. Okay. More cowbell. Yeah, it missed this. I don't know, but we had it at one point, and I fucked it up. Wait. Nah. Okay. Let's try. I think this was the setting that we had at one point. Let's try this to see if it's better. Okay. Now, so basically what I did here is that I just stopped, not stop, I just reduced the song speed, but this doesn't work. Artificially reducing the song speed doesn't work. Maybe if I increase the amplitude of the movements of Z I didn't touch, it will work a bit better because a longer movement, slower song. Okay, but it's almost perfect. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna keep this one. Okay. What do we have? No. Hoppala, sorry. Tac, tac. Okay, let's try this one. I get it. It's the opposite. If I want it to be slower, I need to reduce the amplitude. So, I think I get it. Something like this should be slower. Because basically, if we increase the amplitude, the speed will accelerate to try to reach. So, I don't know if I'm very clear. Yeah. Okay, I tried one last thing. I swear it's the last one. Okay, I tried to increase the tone, but it didn't work well. Oh, fuck, I closed it. Okay, well, I hope this is gonna be the right one. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. So it was 10. This one was 95. And... oh, well, I'm just going to type it at that point. 95. 95. Yep. 8. 80. 80. 10. 130. 130. Let's try with the 800. Okay. Stop. Load. Okay, this is one of the last time, I swear. Okay, this should be the setting that we had before. Hopefully, it's gonna be good. Howdy, Kenneth. Okay, is this better? I closed it again, my dumbass. Or is this better? I think it's the sweet spot. Oh, you think the other one is better? Okay. Well, then we're gonna take the other one. So the difference is that the tone is okay. It's just that the motor was a bit slower on the first one. On this one, the Z motor. But that's pretty much similar other than that. 95. Oh, wait. 10. Okay, now I can export it and it's done. This one is done. We're gonna play one last time, but we are not modifying it. And I'm gonna get the MIDI file of Hercule Poirot. Oh no, Feu Elise first. Ah, it's perfect. It's perfect. And yes, we are playing musical printer, exactly. Okay. Damn, I keep switching between mic. It's a bit complicated. Okay, so Feu Elise, that's what we have. Easy. Easy peasy. Easy. And when you listen to the MIDI version, you're like, oof, we are basically doing bullshit here. We are basically doing crap. Well, I'm still proud of it. I'm still proud of it. It doesn't matter. Okay, Feu Elise. Let's boost it at 8, export, and play. Okay, so music, Feu Elise. Puff. Load. Feu Elise. Okay, I just need to put the mic back. Why do I keep having notification of OBS, but I don't know why? And so I'm afraid I missed a red earlier, but I don't have the information of it. I hope I didn't. Where is the mic? Here. Do you have a converter for the music? No. I mean, I try to convert MP3 to MIDI. It's often very disappointing. So I usually take straight up MIDI file And yes, exactly. After that, I take MIDI to 3D. I don't remember if I took the GitHub file or the one on their website, because there is two. There's a jar version, and I don't have the jar version. I have the .exe version. Let me check, because the jar version didn't work for me. It didn't add as much option as this one. So in the release, which one is it? In the public release? Oh, it's the yeah, it's on the GitHub. GitHub MIDI to 3D 1.0.3.exe. It's not the safest thing to download a exe file from GitHub to play it on your computer, but for me it worked. Maybe I'm mining Bitcoin in the background without realizing it, but at least we are playing nice music. Okay, no, it's ready to play. It's ready to play. So, up. I'm sacrificing my computer for you. Okay, let's unmute this and play. What? That's not für Elise. Okay, that's to be fair, that's closer to Darth Vader than für Elise. So it's not working as expected, I think. Let's reduce the tone. Yeah, it's open source, yeah. Yeah, it's open source. Open source. I mean, we are playing open source music with an open source tool on an open source printer. We are literally in the rap till the I don't know how to finish this sentence, but you got it. Okay, I kinda get it. I kinda get it, but it's very, very far away. So no, it's... Yeah, didn't you say that it was easy? I did say that. I did say that. Was I wrong? Yes. Do I regret? No. Ah. Okay, better. I don't think we will do miracle with this one though, because we are so low on the tone multiplier that I won't be able to smooth it out that much, I think. Okay, I tried the other one, but no. It's better. We're going somewhere. Okay, let's go even lower. 1.5. Okay, that's nice. Okay, yeah. I like it because it's lower, but it's also slower, which I don't like. I tried to put this on this one. I tried to put the extruder. I don't know if it was gonna work or no. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work at all because the extruder slow it down. So no. What if we put just the Z-axis? What happened? I wonder. I just want to try to see. Okay, let's see. But okay, that's not quite efficient. Okay, that's a failure. Anyway, I'm also gonna restart it and do a Z homing just to reset everything. Sometimes you need to do this in order to reset all the axes together. Okay, you need to stop now. I sent the comment to stop, but it's not stopping. Okay, restart. Oh, I cannot see the entirety of the message. I need to go on YouTube just to read the message. Why? Why? Yep. For some reason, the version on their site is different from the GitHub. Yes, the GitHub one doesn't work on Linux, but the one from the site works. Yeah, that's what I thought. I think even on Windows, there will be something like this. I had a problem with the GitHub, and the other one was not working. Yeah. So I don't know. Throw engine de poitrine. Engine de poitrine. We're gonna throw engine de poitrine. Yeah. Let's just finish the Für Elise and we will do it. But we're almost there. This one is way easier. Yeah. Okay. Let's stop the print. Of course. Yes. And now. Info. What are you doing? Why are you moving? Okay. Now we do calibration. Oh my god. Stop the print. Yes. Calibration. Auto home. Okay. So we're almost there. Which one from engine de poitrine? We need to... Okay, the 2 was okay. Maybe this a bit quicker. And this just like that. Okay. Okay. You have some really old printer yourself or at the office with older stepper driver? This is the older printer that we have. It's the MK3. And it's my personal printer. So maybe I'm destroying it right now. It's a chance, yeah. Okay, let's try this. That's good. But yeah, you were asking this, I think, for to have older stepper driver even to play more music, but no, we don't. And yeah, it's for science and art. It's for the beauty of it. Okay, I try to speed it up a bit. I'm stupid. I should have. I have the category of stream in maker and crafting, but I should have put it in music. Ah, such a missed opportunity. We would have one live stream of music on the channel. That would have been funny. Ah, that's a fail. Okay, this one is good. This one is done. That's perfect. Which one next? Because the thing, Engine de Poitrine, I think we're never gonna find a MIDI file of it. Let's try Hercule Poirot. Okay. MIDI. I wonder how many copyright strikes you will get. I don't think I will get any, to be fair. Because first, the music that we played was MIDI. And if, to be fair, if the bot managed to pick up the music from the printer, I won't even be mad. I won't even be mad at for the copyright. Besides, for Elise, it's in the public domain, so it doesn't matter. That's supposed to be Poirot. Ooh, I know what I want to play. What a banger. All the music is modern, yeah. Oh my god, this one I don't know. I really don't know how it's gonna come out. I really don't know. It's gonna be quite the thing. The MIDI file is awful, not gonna lie. This little trumpet is oof. I hope it won't break. No, it won't break. It's seen worse than that. Okay, export. Poirot. Okay, I think we're gonna abort this one, not gonna lie. The problem is I don't know the music enough to know if it's good or no. You can't break a Prusa, exactly. And even if I break it, it's too easy to repair. Okay, let's try again. I'm playing the MIDI just to it does. Okay, the beginning is very nice. The beginning is very nice, so there is something to do with it. I know that there is something to do. Okay, let's boost the tone. I want to see Poirot. Okay, we can do something. We can do something with only one instrument. Yeah, I don't know. That's the problem. Sometimes the MIDI have too much track, and so the printer doesn't work. No. Now. No, it doesn't work. I don't like it. Okay, let's try this one. But basically, BitMidi, the website BitMidi, it's not good. It's not good. All the MIDI from there are kind of shitty. We need the online sequencer. Catch you later. Yes, see you. Thank you for passing by. Anyway, we are gonna stop very soon. To be fair, I wasn't expecting us to stay that long on this. Okay. But yeah, you were right, Cruise and Girl. All the music are modern. Huh. Since we're on anime, that's it. We're gonna do Detective Conan. Okay, open. This one I know a bit more, so it's gonna be easier for me. But the thing also with Detective Conan, is that it's so iconic with the trumpet. And so you kind of remove the trumpet from it, it loses a bit of its value. Like the trumpet is what makes it so nice. What? No. No. Okay. Ah. Okay. Now there is still I heard the little do, but that's it. Ah. No. Okay, I'm boosting it even more. No. I don't like it. Ah. The problem is that I don't know if I should go up or down with the turn multiplier, because this one seems pretty short. Nah. It doesn't work. Okay, one last time. No. No. We need to try something else. Okay, I will just try with another MIDI file. Okay. No, but it's exactly the same. No, it's exactly the same. I mean, we can try, but I think it's gonna be exactly the same. Okay, if I do this... Export... Okay, we try, but I don't think it's gonna work. No. No, that's not good. Disappointing. I need way more work around this one. Well, I think maybe we can try one last. Maybe one last. A very iconic one. I don't know. I don't know if you have any suggestion. I don't know. What can we do? We did for Elise, it worked well. Evangelion was a really success, I think. Stepper driver to quiet. Time to bring out the old heartbroken Ender 3. Exactly, we need the very loud one. The door in the Garden of Eden. Wait. MIDI. Garden of Eden. This one? I'm afraid it's gonna be too much track. Okay, I'm gonna see, but I'm afraid it's gonna be too much track. Yeah, SoundCloud. I cannot download this one. Okay, let's try the first one, but I don't know if it's gonna work, to be fair. With all the track... I probably got the wrong name. I cannot really help you on this one. I don't know which one you're talking about. I can look... Wait. Music... Up. Garden. Okay, let's try. No, okay, I don't think it's good. The thing also is that I need song that I know, because that way it's easier for me to create it. Anyway, it's 45. I think we're gonna. Oh my god! Oh no. Okay. So. Any other suggestion? In the meantime, I'm gonna eat a bit of pie. Not gonna lie, I'm a bit frustrated by Detective Conan. Oh, maybe I have an idea. Oh, Fly Me to the Moon also is good. Boy, screw that up. Aaron Butterfly in Gotta. We okay. I think we need to do another live stream. We're definitely gonna do another live stream. I just want to try this one. It works so well. Okay, it works so well. The beginning at least works so well. This is a success. Okay. Oh my god, the whistle, I don't know. Oh my god. The whistle, I don't know. Oh, this one? This one I really don't know. Fly me. To be fair, the MIDI file doesn't help me here. Fly me, what does it look like? No. Okay, I'm gonna try something else. Oh my god, I'm stupid, yes! But why didn't I think about Bad Apple, of course? Oh my god, this one is quick. This MIDI file is a bit too intense. Okay, no, this one is just shitty. This one? Why are they also quick? We'll try. No, not going to the MRRF, sorry. But now I need to play Bad Apple on the screen. I don't know how to do it, but I need to do it. It's easy to do. It's quite easy. Okay. Okay, wait. Load. I believe in this one. Vaya. No. My God. Why didn't you give me this suggestion earlier? Because now I really want to do it, but I need to finish. Okay, wait. Desktop. Bad Apple. Okay. Yeah. Try increasing the acceleration. Yeah, the issue is that I don't know exactly how to do it. Nah, that... This one though, I don't understand. Also, I don't understand why the amplitude of the movement is so small. Wait. I also tried this one on my PC with my other 3, didn't work. I mean, I know that there's several different... Oh, fuck, I quit it. MIDI one. And yeah, this one worked for the Prusa. I don't know for the Ender 3. You might have to work a bit around it. And also there is the 2 version of the one on the website and the one on GitHub. 7. Okay, let's try just without any modification like this. Export desktop Bad Apple. Okay. Oh, now I want to do it. Okay, I get it. I understand this one. The acceleration. Yeah, but I don't know which value to put. Not gonna lie. And this one is too slow. Okay, let's try boosting the tone just to see. Because this one we can kind of hear it. It work. work. Okay, let's try. I might... Okay, I boost it, but I might have to reduce it. Okay. 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 No. No. It was better before. What about this? No. It's the same. Okay, what about this? Okay, that's good. Okay, what about this one? It's the same. And what about this? I boosted. Nah, too much. I think 14 is the good in between. It's moving out too much. Like that. I think it's good. I think it's very good. Okay, I'm gonna try this. What you just said. Let me give me a sec. I like the echo in my voice. It sounds very like I'm in a studio, you know. And we kinda are in a studio. Okay, file, save, tac. What? If you break my printer, it's the G code for auto self-destruction. No, didn't work. I didn't change anything. I think it's already at the max. Okay. Well, that was great. Oh, mate. I was about to say a French swear. I pressed the wrong button. You're not seeing the right thing. You're seeing front of face. Well. That was great. Okay, let me turn off the mic and come back to the other mic. Woo! What a concerto. I think I'm gonna leave you on the printer playing one of the music. Probably that it's gonna be Evangelion because it's our biggest success tonight. Even though Bad Apple was nice. Very, very nice. But I think Evangelion is the biggest success. So, before I send you out... Okay, no, let me... Oof. What am I looking? I'm gonna... You know what? I'm gonna look for someone who is doing music. Some music. Wait. Music. Not music. Music. Who's doing some music right now? I feel like I want someone who do like MIDI or something like this. It would be nice. Someone composing. Beats mixing and music feedback. Ah, no, it's feedback. Techno music DJ set now. Maybe we're gonna stay on make and crafting. Wait. I want someone who make music. That would be fun. Evangelion is the best. I'm surprised that you say that. I'm surprised that amongst everybody you say this. I don't know if I would personally put it in my top one, but it's very, very, very high, of course. No, I know that for me it's not my favorite, but it's very high. What if I look for MIDI? MIDI. Is there like a MIDI? Nah. Doesn't work. Well, it doesn't matter. It's okay. We're gonna go in make and crafting as always. And we are gonna get someone that's hopefully we'd never raid. There's a lot of German. No. What are you doing? It's all German. Wait. Okay. What is this? Okay, let's go there. It doesn't have anything to do with us, but it's okay. Up, start, and now I need to load Evangelion. Okay. Tack. You're on the end screen, but I'm still here, don't worry. I'm just gonna wish you a good night. Thank you for the stream. Thank you for being there. And see you next week on Wednesday, where we're gonna have a giveaway and we're gonna talk about several little things. It's gonna be interesting. Sorry, I already am sending you to Medusa Lover shop, where apparently they are making wait. Oh no, it's okay. They are making pirate hat and mask from Sea of Thieves, a commission. Okay. I'm gonna play, but first, let me put the other mic and let me wish you a good night. Thank you for being there. It was very nice. I really appreciate it. I hope you appreciate it too. Be nice for the raid and see you. On this, I send the print. Bye.